The decision is made. Sony is finally going to adopt the 21:9 design for the next premium Xperia phone. The information belongs to ICE Universe, and as you can see, we have a screen protector of the upcoming Xperia XZ4. To be very clear, it looks like an elder brother of the Galaxy Note series, the same rectangular appearance with a bigger form factor and maybe some slim bezel view. This design has a lot of fans out there just because of that big screen without any disgusting implementation. It will provide a better social media experience, but you might notice a thick black frame while watching movies or so. Keeping that to a very hidden side, I totally love this view as it has got a very proper look. If Sony Xperia XZ4 is for real, I'm going to switch to this view because I know that there will be an OLED technology with some real HDR magic. In terms of processing, the Snapdragon 855 is more than enough for our daily shit. However, there will be no 3.5mm headphone jack, which obviously means a lot to me. For you, if it has become normal, you are really lucky. Now let's move to the camera implementation on this particular upgrade. According to some renders, there will be a dual camera setup on the back placed with a fingerprint scanner and a dual LED flash. On the front, we have a single camera mode, and as far as the camera experience is concerned, I believe that Sony will follow a better quality range instead of same upgrade next year. The company has done with the all-new IMX sensor that really offers great camera experience under low light conditions. All in all, if camera is the major deciding factor for you, I think you'll not consider this phone as the year 2019 is coming with a lot of great camera phones. And when we look at the current triple or quad camera trend, the dual camera setup with some boring ideas will not melt your heart. Also, at this premium level, you'll not compromise with any factor. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.